Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I'm here to share what I created with the Ugly Papers Swap 2023 hosted by my scrapbook loft, Judy, and Kathy's Inspired Things, I think. Kathy's Kim's. Oh my God. Um, anyway, I'll have their links down below so you can go check it out. So I'm participating in their swap, and my partner was Crystal, and I'll also have her channel down below as well. And also the person that I followed to make these items. Now, I think it was last Saturday, I posted on my Instagram. I had to mail this birthday card out. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this on my what do you call it, page, I guess. So I created a happy birthday card, and this paper is so pretty, guys. I'm like, I loved it, and you can make a card out of it, and it was 6x6. I have a couple scraps because I did use some of it in the card and also on the back of the card. So yeah, I just love how this turned out, and it might be kind of blurry because I'm showing it on my phone, but if you follow me on TFriday77 on Instagram, you could see it better. So I had two more sheets of that paper, and I was like, what can I do with them? They're pretty. I don't want to, do too much to them. So I looked on YouTube for some tutorials of making boxes, and I know everybody knows how to make boxes, so I'm not going to share a tutorial, but I'll link that tutorial down below if you're interested in it. And it's using 6x6 paper. Okay, so I don't have much scraps left from making these boxes, but these are the two boxes that I made with that paper. Isn't that adorable? And this one was really cute to make, super easy, and you could fit chocolates in here. You could fit, oh my gosh, little bitty embellishments. I mean, well, maybe not that one, but I mean, something small and cute you could fit in here, and just to give to your partner, or a swap partner, and call it a day. I just stamped this stamp from Michael's that I got this year, and I added a little, gem and some ribbon. And I think that is just simply adorable. I mean, you could really jazz it up with some lace on the bottom here. I might do that. But I just love how this box turned out. It's just simply adorable. Okay. And then this one, it looks like a tall, skinny milk jug to me. But you could fill this up with more chocolate, or you could fill it up with some sequin mixes, because it is, let me measure how big they are. I think it's it's only 1.5 wide and 1 inch thick, and then it's about 5 inches tall. So it's really cute. This is 4 inches. 4 inches, still 1 inch thick, and I think it's 1 3/4 wide. So really cute boxes, little treat boxes for swaps and stuff like that. And here I added some lace. This is the Hobby Lobby lace. I love this lace. Every time they go on sale, I seem to pick up a spool of it because I do use it a lot, and especially when I'm doing tiny things, you know, like ATCs or what do you call it? Twin cheese. I do like to use these really thin, dainty lace and ribbon. And then I found in my stash, I don't know where this little thing came from. I'm thinking Target. Um, because I have a big bag of little of paper or clothespins in my stash I need to use up, and I found it and I was like, oh, perfect. It'll go really well with my little treat box. And yeah, I need to use up my stash, guys. I really do. So this is my video for in my card. So I did 3 things with the 3 sheets of paper I received from Crystal, and oh my gosh, this was so much fun to do. So I want to thank Judy and I want to thank Kim or Kathy for this opportunity to join in on the fun. And I want to thank Crystal for the papers. They were beautiful. I love them. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions or, you know, any comments, I appreciate them. And I read each and every one of them. And thank you so much. So have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.